I'm here to introduce the new mover drip tray. When we invented the GreenStalk, we didn't have any mover at all. We just had the 5 tiers. And so very quickly, I think it was within the first couple of years that we invented the mover base that allows you to move these around. Believe it or not, we were just scooting them around on the concrete when we had ours. We have the tube that you can direct the water away, but we got customer requests for being able to contain the water. So just recently we invented the mover drip tray, and this is what it looks like. So this fits under the mover and it fills up with water. And there was a few things that we wanted to address with this part. One of them was we have these baffles in here. And the idea is that as the water fills this tray, that water can slosh around really easy. And so these baffles help prevent it from sloshing around. Another thing that the drip tray has is an indicator showing when it's full. So as the tray fills up, you can see when it's full of water and it needs to be dealt with. So there's a few places where this would be useful. One of them could be in a garage where you don't want to get water on the floor or direct the tube outside the garage. Or it could be useful on a patio or a deck, such as like an apartment complex where you really need to contain the water. You don't want to be raining down on your neighbors. One thing to note with this part is that it's best not to move the planter while the mover drip tray is installed. So this is the indicator, and the way this works is there's like a little boat, and so as the water increases, the boat starts to float, and that's how the indicator works. The mover drip tray is now available to buy at greenstalkgarden.com.